Good morning, everybody. We start with the global market news update today. Global shared idle on Wednesday after a lengthy rebound propelled them towards recent record highs. And as investors awaited confirmation that the US Federal Reserve would cut interest rate as expected. The Dow Jones Industrial Average rose by 0.13% to 4889, and the S&P 500 gained 0.42% to 5620, and the Nasdaq Composite gained 0.57% to 17918. The dollar traded near the lowest in more than a year against the euro and the sterling on Thursday as the dovish Federal Reserve and fresh signs of weakness in the US job market backed the case for interest rate cuts. Gold and silver prices were trading flat in the early trade on Thursday. A sharp sell-off in crude oil paused on Thursday after expectations of a rate cut by the Federal Reserve offset a bunch of weak economic data from the world's two largest economies, the United States and the China. The GIFT Nifty is trading higher, indicating a positive start for the day. Nifty futures was trading around 24,891 at 6:50 a.m. Now coming to the Indian market update. Nifty closed around 71 point positive, that is around 0.29%. And the today's support level would be around 24,625, followed by 24,553. And the resistance level would be around 24,880, followed by 24,953. As far as Bank Nifty is concerned, Bank Nifty closed around 117 point negative previous trading session, that is around 0.23% negative. And today's support level would be around 50,115, followed by 49,832. And the resistance level would be around 51,369, followed by 51,713. As far mid cap is concerned, mid cap closed around 196 point positive, that is around 0.34%. And today's support level would be around 57,956, followed by 57,665. And the resistance level would be around 58,865, followed by 59,156. As far as small cap is concerned, small cap closed around positive 227 points, that is around 1.21%. And today's support level would be around 18,778, followed by 18,716. And the resistance level would be around 19,115, followed by 19,200. Coming to the sectoral update, we see good buying opportunities in IT sector, retailing sector, dating sector, healthcare sector, FMCG sector, agriculture sector, alcohol sector, consumer durable sector, industrial gases and fuel sector, and paper sector. And we see top deliveries in paper sector, diamond and jewelry sector, textile sector, photographic product sector, finance sector, trading sector, logistics sector, ferromanganese sector. Now, basket recommendation, we continue to hold with the Tata Group stock basket with the expected return of 8%. And the performance review so far is large cap performed till now 3.17%, auto sector performed around 0.85%, private bank performed negative 2.60%, FMCG performed around 7.18%, pharma performed around 6.83%, and Tata Group performed around 0.93%.